Communication at sea is vital for the safety and efficiency of maritime operations. With vast expanses of water and unpredictable weather, clear communication can mean the difference between life and death. Today, we'll explore how ships communicate, focusing on flag signals and various methods used in maritime communication. One of the oldest and most colorful forms of communication at sea is through nautical flags. These flags are not just decorative, each one carries a specific meaning. For example, the Alpha flag, which is blue and white, signals that a vessel is conducting underwater operations. This is a crucial warning to nearby ships to keep their distance. Then we have the Bravo flag, which is red and white. This flag indicates that a ship is loading or unloading explosive materials. It's a clear signal that safety is paramount, and other vessels should exercise caution. Next is the Charlie flag, which is blue and yellow. This flag means yes or affirmative. It's a simple yet effective way to convey agreement or confirmation in a busy maritime environment. The Delta flag, colored in blue and white, signals that a vessel is in distress and requires assistance. This flag is a call for help, and it's crucial for other ships to respond quickly to ensure the safety of those in peril. Lastly, we have the Echo flag, which is red and yellow. This flag is used to indicate that a ship is maneuvering with difficulty. It serves as a warning to other vessels to be cautious and maintain a safe distance. In addition to flags, ships also rely heavily on VHF radios for communication. These radios allow for real-time conversations between vessels and shore stations, making it easier to share important information about weather conditions, navigational hazards, or emergencies. The clarity of voice communication can significantly enhance safety at sea. Morse code is another historical method that remains relevant today. It allows ships to send messages using a series of dots and dashes, which can be transmitted via light signals or sound. While it may seem outdated, Morse code is still a reliable backup for communication when other systems fail. Understanding these methods of communication is essential for anyone involved in maritime activities. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a novice, knowing how to interpret flag signals and utilize radio communication can enhance safety and efficiency on the water. As we navigate the complexities of maritime communication, it's clear that each method plays a critical role. The next time you see a ship flying flags or hear a radio crackle, remember the importance of those signals. They are not just symbols, they are lifelines that connect vessels across the vast ocean. Explore these resources further to deepen your understanding of maritime communication and its significance in our world.